Welcome back. So, the Florida Panthers have received a major injury concern ahead of their 2026-27 NHL season, with veteran forward Brad Marchand now facing the possibility of missing the start of the campaign. Marchand recently revealed that he underwent surgery during the off-season after initially trying to recover without a procedure. The treatment did not provide the desired result, forcing him to undergo what he described as last-minute surgery. He is now in rehabilitation and will need significant recovery time before returning to the ice. The 38-year-old has been dealing with hip and sports hernia problems. Reports indicate that he could be sidelined for 2 months or even longer, which puts both training campaign and the beginning of the regular season in doubt. Marchand was already dealing with injury problems during the previous season. He missed the final 19 games of the 2025-26 campaign because of a lower body injury. Despite playing only 52 games, he still produced impressive numbers, finishing with 27 goals and 27 assists for 54 points. His absence would be a significant blow for Florida. Marchand has become an important veteran presence for Panthers and brings years of NHL experience, scoring ability, and playoff experience to the lineup. The timing of the injury is particularly concerning because the Panthers are scheduled to begin their 2026-27 regular season on September 29 against the defending Stanley Cup champion Carolina Hurricanes. Training camp is expected to begin roughly a month before that. Marchand also confirmed that his recovery will prevent him from participating in a charity game organized by his former Boston Bruins teammate Zdeno Chara. He explained that he had hoped to avoid the surgery, but eventually he had no choice but to undergo the surgery. Marchand has enjoyed an extraordinary NHL career. He won the Stanley Cup with Boston in 2011 and later lifted the cup with Florida in 2025. Over 17 NHL seasons, he has recorded more than 1,000 career points. Now, the biggest question is when he will be ready to return. The Panthers have not announced a precise recovery timeline, so missing the seasonal opener is not yet confirmed. However, with rehabilitation expected to take considerable time, Marchand's availability for the beginning of the season is clearly in doubt. For Florida, the priority will be making sure the veteran forward fully recovers rather than rushing him back. Panthers fan will now have to wait for further updates to discover whether Marchand can return early in the new season or will have to remain on the sidelines for several weeks. Thank you for watching.